What's going on, guys? Tommy, another video. We are in the carport, and today we are going to take the engine out of the Toyota. It's been a long haul with this thing. She's just been cold chilling. Y'all like my wheel chalk? But we're gonna make something happen today. BQ's on the way. So there he is right there. Thinking he's something. But yeah, we're gonna get this done today. Hold on, look, there he goes right there. Let's see what he got. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, all right. Oh, yep. But yeah, we gotta go get the cherry picker. We gotta get the engine stand. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then we'll be right back. All right, got the hood off. About to start undoing some stuff. There she lies right there. But we're gonna start undoing exhaust and all the little wires and stuff for the starter and those hoses. But yeah, put y'all up on a time lapse, we'll get to it. All right, y'all, can't make this up. Big Q got started coming out. Look at this. No effort. Look, this is a new one, just so y'all know. Oh, yeah. Easy.
You got lucky with that shit seized up.
All right, we want to be that lucky. But yeah, guys, wanted to show y'all that. We're going to get back to it. Alrighty. We have officially made some progress. I got the header basically off. I'm going to have to pry it once we go to pull it out. I couldn't get the bolts down there loose, so take the whole thing off. Gotta do the motor mount. Other than that, just that hose, pipe, whatever. BQ's been making some progress over here. He's actually got the motor mount ready to come out. We gotta do the bell housing bolts, and I gotta drain the oil out of this pig because I forgot to do that. So it's a little foggy outside, y'all. But yeah, guys, Yoda is making a comeback, man. Getting this thing cranking. Here is the guide from yesterday or whatever, so I don't know, man. This thing's starting shedding pieces and whatnot. But yeah, guys, we're getting it. So we're gonna keep on working on this, and we gotta go get the cherry picker, engine hoist, and we're gonna drain the oil. So when we get to that, I will give you guys an update. So yeah, we'll see you then.
You're up against it, we found. All right, so, the bolt.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
We forgot the bolt. We forgot the pepperoni. Got it.
Under pressure.
Hey.
All right, let's pull the train out.
Hold on, go slow, please. Hold on, let me turn the light on.
We gotta bust it off the train.
Whoa,
right,
whoa,
dude.
pause. Talking about busting trainings over here.
All right, let's see. Let me throw my man gloves on so I can rip this thing off. Under pressure.
Hey, Tony,
Sir,
I left the bolt in
if I need a little bit.
here. Yeah.
All right,
Yeah, I left the bolt in here.
take 73, we'll be back.
Take 42.
All right, we're back again. We think we got it. Hopefully.
We gonna see.
We're gonna crank this thing out.
Alright, yeah, I got her out. Hopefully she does what she's supposed to do. Now remember, she's just like really pull the jack and then put down.
The transmission?
Yeah, let's definitely put that back.
What are you?
Let's move the whole fucking. This bolt right there. You on the big crowbar? Oh.
Can't get this screwdriver out, baby.
Got a doctor. Hold on, doctor. Doctor, whoa!
I'm gonna break it.
Do what you gotta do, boy. be any bolts holding it in. Now there's one I'm looking at that looks weird, but I highly doubt it's bolt. Because it's on the inside. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got it out.
Yeah.
I'm absorbing all of it right now. It might not be in that last, but at least it's a motor.
It's something.
And it's not a full motor. You tell me. Get up there. So it's gotta be a bolt then.
I don't know if it's separate. Here, I'll try something. They put handles on this big bitch for a reason.
It's in the wrong direction, yeah. Gotta do it again.
This is coming home with me. Watch out, Junior.
Two hours later.
Oh, we good. Look, pull up. There's no way in
How
hell
am I
I
gonna separate in the truck?
Alright, let's do it down on the jack.
That's her right there. Big pull. That's it. Alright, hold on. Now we gotta go up.
Keep her going.
Pull it up. I'm stuck on water pipe.
I told you. We gotta do this.
You see anything connected?
Nope.
Watch out for that harmonic balancing. I'm trying.
Hey, look, we gonna see. I can be a superhero, baby. Oh,
It'll find its way out. It'll find its way out.
I'm gonna just twist it. Grab it, get twisted.
Bop it.
Oh my! That was right by my hand, bro. Alright, watch out. Get.
What's half a ton? 1,000? Hold on. Oh, I'm ready to go down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to go down, right?
Oh my god. What the fuck's me stuck on? Well, I'm stuck in the truck.
I am.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Now. Yeah, I mean, the way I get it rigged up is not the best.
But
You're painting the bay anyway, it's okay.
we're painting the bay.
Oh, you just gave out an Easter egg just then. Put that in your.
Dude, I'm about to clear it. How much more does this baby got?
I don't know, baby. Alright, pull it back, pull it back. Right now. Pull it back, pull it.
You're pulling it back.
Oh shit, I'm strong with this. Oh. Alright.
Alright, let's keep this puppy down for at least a little bit. If it falls, I know where I can get a wood pan. We got the engine out.
We got it.
We got the engine out. How many Bellhausen bullets you take off, BQ?
Dude, alright, let's see, let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. Which isn't bad, but it shouldn't have taken that long. This thing was in there tight. Where are you opened at? Yeah, we need to clean those off, dude.
Yeah, we'll get her hooked up, but
And plus, that's probably just stuck on this too, man.
yes, fine. Oh, I'm not even holding the camera in the right spot. But, alright guys, we're gonna put it on the stand, see you in a little bit. Where did we leave off last night, guys? We went crazy. The video is probably all over the place, but we got it done, man. Big Q really helped out on this one, y'all. We got the engine out. Now, I have pulled engines out before, but, you know, obviously not in the Yoda. And let me just tell y'all, I feel like I'm getting old because it worked this for sure, but now the long journey starts with getting this thing to look good again. So, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm sorry it might have been all over the place because we were all over the place, but that's going to be it for that video, guys. I got some more coming. Obviously, we got to get this truck done over the winter. So, thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.